Hi, Auntie Taylor, Farm and Country. I'm just outside of Farnsfield, NG22, and I'm truly excited to introduce to you Baulker Farm. It's a 4-bedroom detached home. It extends to just shy of 4,000 square feet. It's positioned on an acre plot. Let's get inside and show you around. Now, this really is a special house, and we enter via this well-proportioned entrance lobby, flooded with natural light. There's a guest cloakroom with shower. There's then a contemporary staircase leading off to the first floor, and we're into this beautifully proportioned dining hallway. I really love the proportions of this room, and it can easily accommodate a table to seat 10 people. We have a large porcelain tiled floor covering with underfloor heating, and that extends to the whole of the ground floor and the first floor. And how wonderful is this contemporary floated staircase with this glazed balustrade. And what about this for a superb living kitchen? Perfect for modern day contemporary living, and it connects beautifully by this large bifold door to the outside space. And what about this for a huge central island? It's a quartz surface featuring a breakfast bar with 4 stools. We have a preparation sink with incinerator, a 4-ring induction hob with surface extraction. And then we have this bank of ovens, one of which is a steam oven. There is also a twin stainless steel sink unit with cooker hot tap, an integrated dishwasher, a wine cooler, and space for American fridge/freezer. And then we're flooded with natural light through this large lantern roof. This kitchen truly has it all, whether it's for everyday living, for entertaining, or relaxing. Twin glazed doors lead off the reception dining hallway into this fantastic sitting room. As is the theme with this house, it's a beautifully proportioned room with dual aspect, having views to the front, views to the side overlooking the garden, and the focal point is this rusted steel fireplace, incorporating a wood burner. It has a medial wall. I love the detail of these fins on the side. There's the feature LED lighting, and it flows beautifully into this family room to the side. Again, this room has a dual aspect with twin bifold doors leading onto a side patio and connecting to the garden. As mentioned earlier, the garden extends to approximately 1 acre, featuring flowering and herbaceous borders. It's mostly lawned, offering great flexibility, having far-reaching views over the surrounding countryside and an aspect that can be enjoyed throughout the entire day. And the patio wraps around the property to the rear. It's got a wonderful water feature. It can be accessed by the large bifold doors leading off the kitchen, and it's got a wonderful southwesterly aspect. Completing this outside space is this wonderful garden/stroke party room. It's even got its own outside fireplace. And opposite the property, included in the sale, is a 2-acre paddock, ideal for the equestrian. The contemporary feel continues to the first floor, flooded with natural light by these Velux windows, enjoying this glazed balustrade. All of the bedrooms have en suites. There's 2 well-proportioned double bedrooms here. This is bedroom 2, which enjoys a walk-in wardrobe, again a high ceiling with electric Velux windows and blackout blinds. There is also a wonderful ensuite bathroom with freestanding bath and large walk-in shower cubicle with twin shower and massage jets. And then completing this room is this wonderful Juliet balcony. Completing the first floor is this absolutely stunning principal bedroom suite with high ceilings, again with electric Velux windows and blackout blinds. Within the bedroom is a deep fitted wardrobe. There's then a fantastic walk-in wardrobe and then a superb ensuite bathroom. The ensuite is a true luxury, having his and her vanity sink units, a freestanding bath, a walk-in wet room, twin shower cubicle, and a dual aspect with superb foraging views. And then completing this principal bedroom is this canopied balcony, and it has the most wonderful aspect. If you have any questions, we'd like to arrange a viewing, then please get in touch with me on the details that follow.